Kasi kahit nung bago pa lang ako, hindi na kita matiis. Ngayon pa kaya na boyfriend na kita?
So, I'm still your boyfriend and you won't break up with me?
Pakiramdam ko 9 years na nga tayo eh. Mahirap nang pakawalan yun, di ba?
I love you.
I love you too, boss.
It's okay. At this point, I don't really care what you call me.
I love you too.